Hey, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Gonna do some chicken fried rice today. I'm calling it Mexican style. We've got some Mexican style kind of flavors in there. I don't know how Mexican it is, but it is bloody delicious. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here then. Starting off with our rice. Now I've got some cooked basmati rice. And what's important is you use cold rice, and even better like this. This is 1 day old rice. Now, if you leave it for a day, it kind of dries out a little bit. It kind of doesn't stick so much. So if you can do that, that'd be fantastic. I've got some mixed bell peppers in there for a nice bit of color. 1 onion chopped, some red beans. I'm using from a can. If you're going to use from a can like me, give them a nice wash in some cold water, rinse them out nicely. Here I've got 2 regular sized chicken breasts, no skin and no bone, and I've cut that quite thin, so it will cook really fast. Some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Optional green chili, tablespoon of garlic, and here I've got 4 spices, 2 teaspoons each of oregano, chili powder, cumin, and paprika. Now with paprika generally comes in 3 types. It comes in a sweet, which is what that is, smoked, which is delicious, and then hot. You don't want the hot one because you'll basically be putting 2 lots of chili in there. That's about it. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. Wonderful stuff. So before we get to the cooker, I've put the chicken in a bit of a larger bowl. I just want to add the spices into that. So let's just go over them again. Chili powder, paprika, cumin, and oregano. So in it all goes. And I'll just give that a little mix. Just like to get the spices on the chicken now. And then what we're going to do is get over to the cooker and get this on the go. It's absolutely wonderful. So I've got my pan here. You need a sort of wok or a deep frying pan or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm just using sunflower oil here. We're going to drop in our onion. And our garlic. And the chicken. To that I'm going to add a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and then we're going to fry this. As you can see in here, we're on quite a high heat, above medium heat, and we're going to go for about 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Looking absolutely wonderful. Now because the chicken is cut nice and thin, it's going to cook really quickly. Next up we're going to add those bell peppers. Now you could be adding some other different vegetables to this if you wanted. The beans, the fresh chili. And let's go now for about another 3 minutes again. Keep it moving. This is so easy, but so delicious. Okay, pretty much the last stage. We're now going to drop in our rice. Cold, day-old rice if you can. Makes a big difference. If you put hot rice in here, it really will stick. Okay, we're going to go for another 3 or 4 minutes, staying on this high heat. We're very nearly done. Great stuff. Off goes the heat. Chopped cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that where you come from. We're going to mix that in, and I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go, done. Absolutely delicious. Doesn't take long at all. Like I said, if you want to add some different veg in there, go for it. Mushrooms, zucchini, eggplants, up to you what you want to add. Very simple, super tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, that helps us out a great deal. Do leave a comment. We like to know that you're fine. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.